Hi, Bebony! How are you? Congratulations! Nakatapos ka na rin ng pag-aaral mo for long years. 4.5 pala. 4.5 years. So, from day 1 na tumuntong ka sa UP, you've already told me na tatapusin mo yung kurso mo at 4.5 years. Nagkaroon ng konting issue bago ka matapos. Kala natin hindi mo kakayanin yung 4.5. Pero you made it. I'm so proud of you. And hindi ka lang sa UP gumraduate. Graduate ka na rin sa akin. So, ibig sabihin, pwede ka nang maggala 5 kilometers away from our house. Pwede na. Hindi na kita hahabulin. Pero pag lumagpas sa 5 kilometers, hahabulin pa rin kita. Habulan ako di ba? Okay. Congratulations, anak. I'm so excited for you. Excited ako sa maaari pang mangyari sa buhay mo. As I told you, tour around the world. Help as many people as you can. Ang maging successful sa buhay, mag-love life, charot. Mag-love life. Huwag kakalimutan mag-love life. Okay? So, I love you, anak. And always remember, andito lang si Mami, si Daddy, of course, si Buding, at si Ate to support you. Love you, Neku. Bye!